Assalamualaikum. Dear students, today we learn about birds. बर्ड्स को उर्दू में परिंदा बोला जाता है। आज हम मुख्तलिफ परिंदों के नाम पढ़ेंगे। नंबर 1 स्पैरो। नंबर 1 स्पैरो। मैना, पीकॉक, थ्रो, डक, heather, pigeon, P for pigeon, pigeon many kabutar, owl, it's owl, eagle, how beautiful is it? Hen, hen lay eggs, hen, parrot, कितना प्यारा तोता है। Dove, it's dove. Heron, where? The national bird of Pakistan, chator, it's chator. Penguin, beautiful penguin. Meadow, it's a kind of parrot. It's not parrot, it's a kind of parrot. Meadow. Name of some birds: parrot, hen, where? Dove, jaguar, penguin, deer, pigeon, eagle.